Today we're making ayam geprek or smashed chicken, an Indonesian dish with super crispy fried chicken smashed with an easy spicy sambal. This is so addictive, so let's do this. I have some chicken breasts here diced, and this is about 300 grams. And then I'm going to marinate this with salt and pepper. That's all you need for marination. While that's marinating, we are going to be making the batter. I'm using a mixture of rice flour as well as corn flour here. To that, I'm adding a baking powder as well, 1 whole egg, and finally we are adding in cold water. Make sure you're using cold water, okay? Using rice flour and corn flour gives me super crispy batter. Use regular flour if you don't have these two combination, but make sure that you serve the chicken immediately because plain flour batter tends to get soggy. Stir that through until you get a nice consistency just like this. And then go ahead and coat the chicken pieces in the batter. I have a pot of hot oil here. I'm using the wooden chopstick trick to check that it's hot enough. Basically, once it bubbles, it's good to go. And then deep fry the chicken bites. Do not overcrowd the pan and keep the heat to a medium. Take out the chicken once it's cooked and the coating is a nice crispy golden brown. I prefer cooking smaller pieces of chicken as it's much easier to monitor the cooking. Next, we're making the chili sambal. Using the same pan and oil because I'm just lazy and why waste oil. I'm going to be cooking the chopped red chilies and Thai bird's eye chilies, garlic as well as onion. Fry the chilies just until it blisters and then take it out. Pop the cooked chilies, onions and garlic in a pestle and mortar like this one. Add sugar and salt. And then give it a nice good grind. Alternatively, you can also use a food processor. It would be even faster. Until you get a consistency just like this. Once that's done, scoot it to one side and then add in the fried chicken bites into the mortar. And then now smash the chicken. This is why this is known as smashed chicken. And then sort of lay the sambal over the top of the chicken just like this. This really lets the chili get everywhere. This is how it's done in the shops, but of course you can just have the sambal on the side as well. And that's ayam geprek. Serve this with rice, and I have some cucumbers and raw cabbages here to help temper the heat. Trust me, it really helps. And then tada, your ayam geprek meal is complete and done.